channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Crunchywood Girl, and today I'm doing an unboxing video. I've just been sent this parcel from Shadow Foam, and I'm really excited to find out what's in it. So let's go! So what is Shadow Foam? Shadow Foam is a one-of-a-kind company, and they do foam like this, but in much bigger sheets to organise your tools. And when I say tools, I don't just mean tools, I mean it could be anything. It could be household items, your power tools, your woodworking tools, your camera kit. If you're a YouTuber, this is great for putting cameras in because you can put it in a box, put it in your foam, and it'll keep it so nice and so safe. So Shadow Foam is really versatile and can be used in all sorts of different ways. So let's find out what's in this. Ooh, that looks smart. Very, very professional, I'm gonna say. What a colour that is, that's something else. So straight off, we already have a t-shirt and a cap. That's pretty cool. We have got a cutting kit. So that'll include scalpels, blades, and everything you need to be cutting. What else have we got? We've got lots of stickers. They're smart. They'll definitely be going on all sorts of things that I own. We've got some pens. We've got a tape measure. Everybody needs a tape measure, especially when we're going to be doing this. And this is their product. This is Shadow Foam. As you can see, this one's really vibrant and I went for the red. There was loads of colours to choose from. And how it works is you cut through this and you'll see your red underneath. So that's really smart. It's also made up of layers, so it's like easy peeled. So you can get that depth exactly what you want. And then we've just got a little calendar, a computer mat, and a nice big sign to stick up somewhere. This is so cool. So we have the Shadow Foam, stickers, hat, t-shirt, calendar, pens, tape measure, cutting kit, mouse mat, and a nice sign to stick up somewhere. That is so much stuff. Thank you so much, Shadow Foam, sending me this. So this is something that I'm going to be showing videos of. I've got lots of ideas for using this foam with my tools and also other things, which could be really interesting. So obviously, if you have any ideas that you'd like me to do, leave it in the comments below. And if this is something that you would like to have to buy, there will be a link in the description where you can get 10% off. So that's really cool. And yeah, look out for those videos.